Hi there. Some industries seem to get media coverage effortlessly, while others require more strategy and creativity to get noticed. Understanding the difference can help you position your PR efforts more effectively. So, today we'll look at what makes certain industries media friendly, which industries may need a creative approach, and why that matters for your PR strategy. So, what do we mean by media friendly industries? When we talk about certain industries seeing easier media pickup, it's not about total mentions. It's about how easy it is for a journalist to craft a story from that sector. Some industries naturally lend themselves to storytelling because they have high public interest. People care about lifestyle, tech, or health topics. They are visually engaging. Fashion, food, and travel are easy to photograph or demonstrate. Then they connect to regulatory or policy relevance, like healthcare, finance, and education stories ties into issues that affect people directly. And then also a frequent innovation. So tech, biotech, and sustainability often have new products or research breakthroughs. It's not that one industry is better than another. It's about whether the story can be readily shaped into something journalists and audiences can understand, share, and then also engage with. So industries that require a bit more creative storytelling. So some industries naturally attract media attention more easily, while others may need a bit more creativity to get noticed. So this doesn't mean that they can't get coverage. It's just that the right approach to make their story resonate, it has to be there. For example, the industrial manufacturing industry. So the work is technical and behind the scenes. So journalists benefit from case studies and visual demonstrations to show impact. Then the aerospace and engineering industry, complex achievements can be highlighted through innovation stories or human interest angles to make them more engaging. Then you've also got enterprise software and B2B tech, so highly specialized solutions become media worthy when tied to real world problems or trends or success stories. So why all of these different solutions work? Well, by framing technical or niche work in a relatable, story-driven way, journalists can easily communicate the value to their audience. Another bonus is tools like AI, infographics, and data visualization make complex topics easy to understand, opening up more opportunities for media coverage. So, a few reasons why some industries get coverage more easily. Now, the first would be high public interest. Industries that touch everyday life, like tech, lifestyle, and health, naturally attract media attention. So, the solution here is to tie your story to broader trends or topics people already care about to make it relevant to journalists. Then frequent innovation. Sectors with a constant innovation like technology or biotech provide a steady stream of newsworthy stories. The solution is to highlight new products, breakthroughs, or research to stay on the journalist radar. Then visual or engaging content. So industries like fashion, food, and travel are highly visual, which makes them easy to showcase in articles, social posts, and videos. So what you can do is to include visuals, demos, or storytelling elements that make the story easy to capture and share. Then we have regulatory or policy relevance. Industries affected by laws or policies such as healthcare, finance, and education often generate coverage due to public interest in changes or updates. So the solution here is to position your story as an expert perspective on a current regulation or policy trend. And then lastly, we have clear impact or human interest. Stories that demonstrate impact like sustainability, social initiatives, or community benefits often get picked up more easily. So the solution is to show the tangible effects of your work on people, society, or the environment to make it compelling for journalists. While some industries naturally get easier media pickup, any sector can get coverage with the right approach. Focus on relevance, storytelling, visuals, and impact, and you'll improve your chances of media success, even if your industry isn't traditionally media friendly.